Yes, good morning. Here in the object-oriented themes, when we're going to do the object-oriented programming concepts, so we'll be going to follow this particular rules, that is abstraction, encapsulation, reuse of that functions. Okay, then the functionalities are given based on the emphasis, means the focus will be given on the object-oriented concepts. Then we have the synergy where all the functionality of object-oriented concepts will be there. That is identify. Identity is nothing but object, classification, then polymorphism and inheritance. These things are going to get covered in the object-oriented themes. Abstraction is nothing but each and every aspects of the that object is going to get detailed information must be there in the object. Okay, so abstraction of that object is going to be given. Then detailed information about that should be known. Then encapsulation is nothing but the objects and the functionalities are going to be encapsulated in one location, or we can say that place. So it's called as an encapsulation, means hiding of the information in another way. So which are the functions where it is getting operated, those things are not going to be known to the user. Okay, it is encapsulated data, means information is hiding. Using of reuse of that particular function. So in the cut paste copy, these are the functions if it is going to be there. So I am going to use that particular class and I can able to place it in another application, so that it is going to execute according to my operations, whatever that related operations are there, so that I can be able to use it. Reuse of that particular product or the function. Or is in the object-oriented concept, for the object it has been given focus. Okay, the stress is given to the object. Then how that is going to be get used. Okay, so objects are going to be get considered in this. And finally we're going to have the object identity, the classification of the objects, polymorphism, okay, inheritance. These things are going to be operated on that particular object. How we are going to use the evidence for usefulness of the object-oriented development. Now here the research was started in 1990, and it is now increasingly it is going to towards a lot of object-oriented development programs. It has came into the picture. Then we have the European conference is there. Okay, on object-oriented concept they have been developed over there. Okay, then PSLA. So it is nothing but object-oriented programming systems as well as language and applications. That is going to be there. Then object-oriented techniques are going to be used in compilers, okay, design, graphics they will be going to use. Then interfaces are going to be there. Databases are going to be used. Okay, the database that object-oriented concept is going to be used. Through the programming, object-oriented programming, there it is going to be used. And basic technology, that is object-oriented technology, it's a major part of the computer science, and in that software engineering stream that it is present. Because without the object-oriented technology, it cannot able to do many tasks. You can able to do it, but thing is that it is not like user friendly. So here it is going to be the user friendly concept will be there in this object-oriented concepts. The history of object-oriented modeling history is now it is saying it is being object-oriented modeling technique is started in 1991. Okay. Rumberg and Gary Buch, so they have invented this OMD, that is object modeling and technique. Notations they have been used from the 1994 they started. Then there is a group they have created, OMG group, that is object management group, they have created in 1996, and the protocols and proposals is going to be sent through the object-oriented modeling notations. The standards they have been created in that. 1997 the UML models, Unified Modeling Language, accepted this that is object model management group, so accepted this standards. And 2001 object modeling group, okay, released the UML notations and all these things. So UML is a part of now object-oriented methodology, modeling concepts. So features have been added, new features have been added for the UML diagrams in 2004. So the link it has been given, you can able to see all the information in that. Okay, this is what the brief history of object-oriented modeling. How it is grown from 1995 to 2011 now. Okay, so the UML is being refined modeling thing that it has been, versions have been come into the picture. Okay.